Hello and a very good morning to all of you. So welcome back. So let us start with our next session, which is a D flip flop. Okay, which is a D flip flop. Okay, also known as what? Delay flip flop. Okay, so why it is called delay flip flop? Okay, first of all, it has only one input. Okay, one input. Okay, it has only one input. So we will see the symbol of D flip flop. D flip flop. Okay, D. This is clock, Q and Q bar. This is preset and here clear. Okay, now how this D flip flop has been prepared? Okay, how it is prepared? So let's see. This is J or S. This is K or R. Okay, SR flip flop or JK flip flop, whatever it may be. Okay, this is clock pulse, CLK clock. This is D flip flop. Okay, we are giving the name as D signals. Okay, so one NOT gate is attached here and it is given to in this way. Okay, this is Q and this is Q bar. Okay, now the truth table. Okay, truth table D. Okay, input D, J, K and Q. Okay, as we have taken here J, K now, that's why we are studying. Okay, when D is 0, only one input is there. Okay, it is divided into two parts. Okay, J, this is D0, J0, K1. K1 why? Because it will be a 0 and NOT gate, because of NOT gate is become 1. Okay, Q will be 0. D is 1, J is 1, okay, K is 0, it will become 1. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, now as it is having only one input. Okay, so at the end of the clock pulse, at the end of clock pulse at the end of clock pulse equals the input before clock pulse. Okay, at the end of clock pulse, at जसं जसं आपला क्लॉक पल्स एंड होतो तसंही आपला इनपुट जे आउटपुट मध्ये पूर्ण ते कंप्लीट होऊन जातं. ठीक आहे, दिस इज इक्विव्हॅलंट to saying that input data appears at the output at the end of clock pulse. Thus the transfer of data from input to output is delayed and hence called delay flip flop. Okay, that's why it's called as a D flip flop or delay flip flop. It's also known as a D latch also. Okay, both are temporary mainly. Getting this? Okay, now we move towards what? T flip flop. Now we move towards what? T flip flop. T flip-flop, also known as toggle flip-flop. Okay, toggle flip-flop, toggling 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 toggling. Okay, now first of all is the symbol. J K. Okay, clock, this is T. Now here no, you can see here this is T flip-flop. Okay, Q and Q bar. No NOT gate is being used here. Okay, nothing will be there. Directly it is shorted, both the input is shorted by a single line. Okay, this is how the T flip-flop is being made. T flip-flop. The symbol is, final symbol is what? In this way, T flip-flop. This is clock, T, Q, Q bar, reset and clear. Okay, reset and clear. So let us see the truth table. Truth table. So T, okay, J, K and Q. Q is the what output. Okay, JK because yet it is prepared by a JK flip-flop only. Okay, T0, J0, K0 output will be last state. Whatever the state is available, it is in the last state. Previously, okay. J is 1, K is T is 1, J1, K1. It is last state complement. Okay. Whatever the previous state was, maybe a 0 or 1. If 0 is there, it will remain the same. If you apply, then the last state is complement. Okay. So it is obtained by using JK flip-flop only. If J equals to K, resulting FF is known as what? T flip-flop. It has only one input. Okay, it has only one input, referred as T flip-flop. T. Okay, referred as T input. For every clock pulse, the output Q get changes. That's why it is known as toggle flip-flop, toggle switch. Okay, toggle means what? Oscillating switch. Okay, getting this? Oscillating switch. So if you see the syllabus, so in our syllabus, so we can see a principle of working of different. We have finished our combination logic circuits, flip-flop 1-bit memory cell, types of trigger methods, principle of working of different flip-flops, SR, JK, D and T flip-flops. Okay, so now here we can declare that our this unit 3 is finished. Okay, so thank you, and please subscribe more and more. Only right now 28 students have been subscribed right now. Okay, out of 41. Okay, so still, and very few students are liking that video, so their attendance, very few students attendance are getting matched. So I will request you to kindly press the like buttons and subscribe the channel also, and press the bell icon also. Okay, So thank you.